Hello everyone, I'm back with another demo. So in this project I made something very basic and simple. It's a book recommendation project kind of thing. So let's see how this project works. First I get my file and from this file and load them. And because there are probably bad lines in there and it's not clean, I have to use on bad line skip to skip those lines. And because I don't need all of these columns and I just want some of them, I make some changes and adjustment to the columns. So here I made some changes to year because here in our file we have date. We don't have just a year and I want just the year. So here in this line, I made sure that I get the year and not the whole date thing. And this in this part is for making sure that the data is clean and it's in the type that I want to use for this project. The next step is to get the user inputs. And now I need a base mask to filter the whole thing. So this is for the base mask. And this part is filtering the page, like the page number, and like the user can decide if they want some specific pages to like filter. And this is for rating. Let's just say the user want the books that are higher than 4, like something like that. And this is for the year. So after these, I can just add them to my base mask. And when I'm done with filtering, the user can get their recommendation and sort them. And when they do that, they can also get the result in a new file. And now let's run this and see how it works. Okay, so the maximum number for the page I'm gonna go with, and I'm gonna go with greater. And for the rating, I'm gonna go 4. And the year, I'm gonna go with this. And I have a new file here, and the new recommendation for the books are in this file. And that's basically it for this project.